Welcome back. Let's do question 1.3. Right, before we prove this identity, I want us to remember that cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. And then from this, we can see that cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. So you have to know that cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta, and even that 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to cos squared theta. Right? Even sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. Right? Recognize that sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta, and 1 minus cos squared theta is equal to sine squared theta. Now you have to remember this as we try to prove this identity. Right, we're supposed to prove that 1 over cos theta minus cos theta over 1 plus sin theta is equal to tan theta. Let's just do that. Right, I'm going to show you 3 methods. So we're going to use this and use this and use this. We're going to start by using the fact that cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. And then after that, we're going to use this one. And then we're going to end with this one. Okay, let's start. So this is a fraction. So we have, what is our LCD here? Our LCD is equal to cos theta times 1 plus cos theta times 1 plus sin theta. That is our LCD. So we have to multiply this fraction 1 over cos theta times 1 plus sin theta over 1 plus sin theta. Okay, then minus cos theta over 1 plus sin theta times cos theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. Right, and then 1 times 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta over cos theta 1 plus sin theta, and then minus cos squared theta over cos theta 1 plus sin theta. Right, is equal to tan theta. Right, always write your left hand side and right hand side, because sometimes we work on both sides. This is an identity, isn't it? It's not an equation, it's an identity. So sometimes we work on both sides. Now the denominators are the same, so we can subtract the numerators. So this is 1 plus sin theta minus cos squared theta over the denominators, the LCD, cos theta 1 plus sin theta is equal to tan theta. And then we say the cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta, isn't it? So we're going to replace cos squared theta with 1 minus sin squared theta. So it becomes 1 plus sin theta minus 1 minus sin squared theta, all this over cos theta, then 1 plus sin theta is equal to tan theta. Right, let's remove the bracket here. What we get that 1 plus sin theta minus 1 plus sin squared theta, all this over cos theta, then 1 plus sin theta is equal to tan theta. 1 minus 1 is 0, and then we remain with sin theta plus sin squared theta over cos theta 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. Then we factor out sine theta here. We factor out sine theta, so sine theta outside, and then we get inside the bracket 1 plus sine theta over cos theta, 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. 1 plus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta is 1, so we remain with sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. This is an identity. Sine theta over cos theta is tan theta, so tan theta is equal to tan theta. So meaning that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we prove that. Okay. Right. So in the next alternative methods, we're going to start here. We've done this part, and then we're going to start here. So we're going to start with this in the next ones. Okay. We're going to start here. Let's go to the next one. So we have 1 plus sine theta minus cos squared theta over cos theta, then 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, you don't need to do all the methods, just one is fine. Just I'm showing you here so that we can understand all the three. Now if we check here, we can rearrange this. Addition is commutative, so we can rearrange this and say this is 1 minus cos squared theta, this is squared, then plus sine theta. So we have rearranged 1 minus cos squared theta plus sine theta over cos theta 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. And then remember, 1 minus cos squared theta is actually sine squared theta. So sine squared theta plus sine theta over cos theta 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. Again, we can factor out sine theta here. Here we can factor out sine theta. So it becomes sine theta and then sine theta plus 1 over cos theta, then 1 plus sine theta. And then addition is commutative. So we can also write this as 1 plus sine theta. So sine theta 1 plus sine theta over cos theta 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. Okay. And then 1 plus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta is 1. We remain with sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta, meaning that tan theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. So remember, we're starting with this part because we've done the other part. So we're going to start here again. Let's do the last method. So we're starting here. 1 plus sine theta minus cos squared theta over cos theta 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. Right, remember that 1 is equal to cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. So we can say we are replacing this one with cos squared theta plus sine squared theta, then plus sine theta minus cos squared theta. All this over cos theta 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. Then cos squared theta minus cos squared theta minus cos squared theta is 0. So we remain with sine squared theta plus sine theta over cos theta 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. right? And then we can factorize sine theta here. We can factorize there sine theta, then sine theta plus 1, sine theta plus 1 over cos theta 1 plus sine theta is equal to tan theta. Right, we say that 1 plus sine theta and sine theta plus 1 is just one thing. So we can divide these two, we get 1. We get 1, then when we sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. Then tan theta is equal to tan theta. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have proved the identity. Okay.